Been working on a 2006 Jeep Commander. I'll be replacing the water pump on it. So right down here is your water pump pulley. Let's see if this will focus. See how that should not move like that. The water pumps give way. So first thing we're going to break this nut loose, take the fan off, and then we're going to remove the serpentine belt. I'm going to break the nut loose on the clutch fan. There's a small hole inside its pulley. Put you a small bolt and it'll catch right there. And then take your wrench on there. Got it broke loose now from the fan. There it goes. Get her unscrewed and out of the way. And just lower the fan right down through the bottom. So we got that off. Now we're going to go over to the tension pulley and take off the serpentine belt. Okay, we got the serpentine belt off. Now we got to remove this pulley here so we can get to the rest of the bolts on the water pump. That is a 15 millimeter. I can't do it holding the camera. So let me get that off and I'll be right back. There's the pulley. We got it off. Got it off out of the way from down here. So now we can get all these bolts. These are 13 millimeters. Here's the new water pump we're going to be putting on. So let me get all these broke loose and ready to take off. I got all the bolts out. So let's see if she'll come loose. She's on there pretty tight. Took all the bolts, placed them back in the new one where I know what order the bolts are. Because some of the bolts are long, some of the bolts are short. So you don't want to get them messed up when you go back to put the new one on. So let me get this broke loose and out of the way and I'll show you what it looks like. There you go. She's off, if you can see. That's where she goes. The new one will go back on. Right down there. Make sure everything's good and clean before we stick the new one on and start putting bolts in it. So let me get that done and then I'll bring you back. Alright, new water pump is in, tightened up. So also put the fan back on and the serpentine belt, and it's done. So this is how I do it. I hope it helps. It's not saying it's the right way, just my way. There it is, all back together. Got the fan back on. Got the belt back on. She's good to go. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll be doing more. Thanks.